Lots of celebrities also casting their vote. It's Mumbai and Bollywood, of course, an integral part of it. Aamir Khan cast his vote and spoke to Rohit Khilnani.
Okay, so it's a big voting day in Mumbai. Aamir Khan, good morning. You know, are you an early riser regular or is this just for voting?
I do get up around 7 o'clock in the morning, usually.
Okay, so the big significance of today is for everyone to come out and vote. So what would you like to first tell all the people watching?
Well, I think everyone should come out and vote. This is a very important part of our democracy and we should all be a part of it, express our opinion. And actually, I personally feel that we should be responsible citizens every day of the year, not just on voting day. And we should be part of our democracy every day of our lives. But today is an exceptionally important day, so I would really recommend to everyone to go out there and vote, go out with their families, go out and vote. I'm come here to pick up my son Junaid, and Junaid and Kiran and I are going. Reena, I'm sure, will go a little later. But yeah.
Okay, I mean, especially this time, have you seen a lot more awareness, people talking about it?
Yeah, a lot more. I think this time, I guess the media has also grown stronger over the years and all of that, and everything put together. I think this time there is a lot more, you know, even the social media is much more active now than it was 5 years earlier. So all in all, there's a lot more anticipation in people, a lot more involvement of people, of youngsters, of everyone, you know. So that's good. It's good. More people are getting involved.
You did some important shows for Satyamev Jayate where, you know, which the message in some was for people to go out and vote. Do you think that's gone across?
Well, we did 2 episodes. The last 2 episodes were essentially about us as a democracy and what we should be thinking of. I mean, I won't repeat what's on the show. But we did do the last 2 topics was essentially about the process of voting and, of course, our democracy, and our role in it as citizens.
Great, Aamir, thank you. Best of luck.
Thank you,
Aamir.
Okay, lots of pictures coming in of celebrities coming and casting their vote. Is going to be quite interesting because remember, Mumbaikars, while very involved in the political debate in the social media sphere, and of course you have all your celebrities and people from Bollywood also who keep making their comments. When it comes to actually casting the vote, Mumbai is not high up on the list of the states and cities which actually comes out and votes en masse. We're going to see if today Mumbai is actually going to change that. And it is, like we said, the D-Day for all Mumbaikars. Bollywood has been gung-ho. Aamir Khan, remember, started an entire campaign for some of the major political parties. There are several others who have been campaigning for the Aam Aadmi Party and urging people to vote.